I'm going to go over the different types of angles. First off, vertical angles. When you have two intersecting lines, the angles across from each other are vertical angles and they are always congruent. Supplementary angles, when you have two intersecting lines, angles that are adjacent to each other that form a straight line add up to 180. These two form this straight line and they add up to 180. They are supplementary. Corresponding angles are angles that are on the same side of the transversal. This is the transversal, this green line, and they are both either above or below the parallel lines. So these two are on the right side of the transversal and they're both above this blue parallel line. They're in the same spot. Alternate interior angles. The interior is this area in between the two parallel lines. So both of these angles are interior. Alternate means that they are on opposite sides of the transversal. So they are alternate interior and they are congruent. Here, same side interior. Again, these are interior angles. If they are on the same side of the transversal, they are same side interior angles and they are supplementary. They add up to 180. And then this one, these are exterior. Exterior is the space on the outside of the parallel lines. And if they are on alternate sides, opposite sides, they are alternate exterior and they are congruent. So when you have something like this, and I need to name one pair of each type of angle, first off, if we do, let me get a little bit bigger. If we do corresponding angles, there's lots of different corresponding angles, but I'm just going to pick this one here. H is on the right side of the transversal, and it's above the parallel line. This E is also on the right side and above the parallel line. So angles H and E are corresponding. Interior angles, these are my interior angles. So if I want alternate, I want opposite sides. So I'm going to do C and D. Those are alternate and also interior. Alternate exterior, the exterior is outside of the parallel lines. So A and G are outside and also alternate on the opposite sides of the transversal. Same side interior, these are our interior. B and D are both on the same side of that transversal. So those are same side interior. And then vertical angles, they're just angles across from each other. When you have two lines intersecting, the angles across from each other like D and G, those are congruent. They are vertical. I hope that helps.